Are you interested in tech support job and looking for a remote work from home opportunity? Hello everyone, my name is Shweta and in this video I'm going to discuss about a work from home remote opportunity, and here you're not required to have a lot of experience, only a little experience as technical support representative will work, and here you'll be getting paid training and 100% work from home. You'll be working at US work hours, technical support representative job for people who are located in India. The job is from bank assistant, and here this is a remote work from home opportunity. You should have at least 1 year of experience as a technical support representative, and you should have excellent English communication skills, both written and verbal. Excellent phone, email, and instant messaging communication skills is required, and solid organizational and time management skills. You should be tech savvy and familiar with current technologies like desktop sharing, cloud services, CRM, and VoIP. You should have experience with word processing software and spreadsheets like MS Office. You should have knowledge of online calendars and scheduling like Google Calendar. You should be proactive, confident, and able to work on a graveyard shift. Start working as a technical support representative from home. You should have USB headset with noise cancellation feature. You should have working webcam. Main and backup computer should have at least 1.8 gigahertz processors with at least 4 GB RAM. The main internet service speed should be 25 Mbps wired connection, whereas backup internet service speed should be at least 10 Mbps. You will be provided paid training and 100% work from home, holiday and overtime pay. And you will be working as per US work hours, 20 to 40 hours per week. And this is a remote opportunity, 100% remote job. The company has not disclosed the salary. However, it will be based on your skills and experience. So as a technical support representative, need to you need to troubleshoot IT issues. So for example, how do I log in, reset password, remote access trackers not working, etc. You will be providing tech support through phone, email, and chat. You will be helping provide update and regularly send out invoices. You will be guiding customers through the initial stages of interaction with the platform or product. You will be assisting in the onboarding of customers onto the platform by creating walkthrough, workflows, and FAQs. You need to document customer interactions in the CRM and keep records up to date. You need to use the client's ticket system to track service requests and customer feedback. So if you're interested in tech support job, you can apply, and here's the application form.
In this role, the company is looking for someone with 2 to 3 years of relevant experience and a bachelor's degree or any equivalent IT diploma. This is a 100% remote job opportunity, and you can do this from home or anywhere. So the company's name is Bold Business. This is a global BPO. This is a US based company. The company is seeking an IT support to manage the company's IT operations and projects, and this role focuses on computer operations, repair, user support, help desk services, and data management. So the company is looking for someone with a bachelor's degree or any equivalent IT diploma. Around 2 to 3 years of experience in IT operations will work. And here you should have proven working experience or equivalent with the data processing training and computer operations training. If you have experienced in multi-operation system or production control environment, you will be a preferred candidate. You should have a knowledge of a variety of hardware, software, programming languages, and operation systems. You should have basic knowledge of network protocols and some experience with computer applications and operating systems. Uh, Linux experience is required. You should be experienced with Linux. You should have knowledge in asset and inventory management or procurement. And so the company will be providing training. And so this is a full-time 100% remote opportunity. As an IT support, you will be providing technical support in the use of personal computer hardware, software, and a specialized mainframe technology, or operates a multi-platform complex computer environment or monitors the production scheduling, execution, and successful completion of production jobs. You will be setting up and configure desktop computers, peripherals, and accounts assigning security level. You will be installing software and installs and repairs hardware and peripherals. You will be testing programs and other applications. You will be troubleshooting, diagnosing problems, implementing corrective action procedures, and or escalate to other technical resources. You need to administer user accounts, develop and test user documentation. You need to design and produce moderately complex reports. You need to do research and recommend system equipment upgrades and manage equipment inventory. You need to set up and submit production jobs and edits and debugs computer output. You need to troubleshoot, repair, and maintenance for computer equipment, uh, test personal computers and peripherals on a network to diagnose hardware versus software problems and escalate corrective procedures to other technical resources. So these are all the IT support kind of jobs that you will be doing as an IT support. So you will be acting as a customer liaison for the computing operation, communicating, resolving, and or initiating the resolution of problems and concerns. You will be working with hardware vendors to resolve equipment failures or problems. You may perform routine security checks on the system, and also you will be assisting with complex technical projects. If you think that you could be a good fit for this position, here is the application that you can fill up. So this is a great opportunity for people who have IT support experience and who are looking for remote or work from home opportunities. So thank you for listening.